Hey everybody, just in case you wondered if this is actually real life, I'm going to show you that it absolutely is. We have been out of town for a couple of days and just came home today, and this was not part of the plan, was to deal with army worms in our yard. Unexpected surprise. And if you don't know what army worms are, consider yourself really lucky. But this is where we are going to take what we've got on hand for dinner tonight. These little Trader Joe flatbread crusts I keep in the freezer. They are perfect for pizza crusts. This is going to save the day because all you have to do is just basically let it thaw at room temperature. We've got some cherry tomatoes, garlic, and basil, and we're going to make our cherry tomato kind of flatbread pizza. Basically, we're going to saute the tomatoes and with some red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. Throw some garlic in those, and then we're going to put some Parmesan on here, and then the cherry tomatoes and basil and the garlic, and just put it in the oven for about 7 minutes, 400 degrees, and I guarantee you will love this if you give it a try, especially in the summer with the cherry tomatoes, because if I look back, this is the third time we're making this in about 2 weeks. It's that good. But it's such a quick and easy meal, and we're gonna do this and a salad because honestly, we don't have the energy tonight to do anything else. So I hope you try it and love it as much as we do.